Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how you can pay someone with a credit card. So to get started with a easy guide on how you can easily pay someone with a credit card, the first thing to do is to use payment app that accept credit cards. So open apps like PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle. And also you can also use certain banks as well, and make sure your credit card is linked in the payment method settings. So link your credit card in the app, then go to apps payment method or wallet section, then choose hard card and enter your credit card details. Some apps require you to first link a bank account or debit card before adding a credit card. Then start a payment. So in the app, tap send or pay, then enter the amount, enter the recipient email, the phone number, or the username. Then choose your credit card as the funding source. Before confirming, select your credit card instead of your bank balance or your debit card. Then enter the amount and confirm. So type in the amount you want to send, review the details carefully, and send, and tap on send or pay. So that's it. So if you find the video much more helpful, maybe turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.